lovelies, well, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel we are going to be making DIY projects, home decor, and beauty. So if you guys are into high-end looking projects but budget friendly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey lovelies, sandraivyrose here. Well, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to make this lovely project. I'm going to be making a checkerboard game. So it's a tabletop that children and adults alike can use for the holiday season, for all your gatherings. So stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, let's get started. We're using Dollar Tree wood plank boards. I'm using 3 of them. And what I'm going to be doing next is staining it with the antique wax by Waverly. I'm using a baby cloth because I feel like it moves on the board smoother. The application of the wax is applied more smoothly and nicely. Hey lovelies, if it's your first time visiting my channel, well, welcome to the family. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot more to show you guys. And don't forget, I do weekly videos, so be sure to click on your bell notification so you don't miss any of it. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. And now we're going to be attaching the planks together by using hot glue, as you'll see in the video. We're going to be using those cubes from the Dollar Tree as feet for our board. Alright guys, so once everything is dry, we're going to be applying this checkers template I got from Google. And we're going to be using Mod Podge to stick it onto the board. And here I'm just measuring just to make sure everything is evened out. And now we're going to seal it with Mod Podge to make sure that it's waterproof. We're gonna let our board dry. Meanwhile, we're gonna start working on our player pieces. We need a total of 24, 12 of different color pieces. So I'm gonna paint 12 the little cubes white, and the other 12 I'm gonna paint them black. And once we finish painting them, we are going to seal it with a coat of Mod Podge just to improve its durability of the pieces. As you can see here, the fastest way that I could think of to get those painted was to put them in a cup and just like mix it around. And we're gonna dry it out. I'm gonna use heat gun to try to speed up the process and remove some excess paint. Okay. All right, guys, we're all done. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out beautiful. It's a fun way to enjoy with your family and friends for the holiday season or any occasion. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.